This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel here at Overland Expo East in Virginia. And look who I just bumped into. You guys might recognize him. It's Gabriel with Vanpackers. Well, today he's going to show us a new no-bills conversion kit for a pickup truck. So join us for the tour.
Hello Patrick, nice to see you again today. I'm very happy to be here. This is the third time we're doing a video with you. And since 2020, we've kept developing new products. And as you know, we've done conversion kit for minivan and for SUV, but every time we were going to shows, people were asking, what about pickup trucks? I use my truck every day and I want to get something that I can fit in 5 minutes and use as a kitchen and a bed. So here we are today presenting that new product. So what you see here is a 4 feet long kitchen box. And it has a double drawer. Just open it up like that. And there. So basically the idea is what we've done for the minivan and the SUV, we wanted to get it very compact so you could use it in the back of your pickup. So again, you've got the table for the stove here at the front. If you go below here, hidden, you have your sink and you have your sink poles. Take them here, pull them out, and then up just like that. Now you're like, okay, that's cool, Gabe, but where do I put my water tank, right? Just take it off. I'll go pick it up. And so basically you can use it on top of this like that. So that's a very cool setup that we've made. Now here you've got a storage box where you can put all of your stuff. Obviously this can slide up again. But if you ever decide not to put cooking stuff because you want to go hunting or fishing and you need more space, you can just slide it out and have a long box like that. And we also left another space here, so it would be easy for you to modify your storage up to your needs. So that kitchen box here, it's on the slides. It's a 300-pound capacity slide for the bottom and 100-pound for the top. And here, you've got, if you remove that, you've got storage here also. And last but not least, as you've noticed, in every conversion that we've made, we've got a lot of details. And that one is just to create a small brakes. So when you put it here, then your drawer stops. That helps you to have a brake when you need. This is made in half-inch birch, and we have a finish that is a hexa finish, phenolic. We really wanted to try something different than what we're used to do. It's very convenient and it's super heavy duty. Now inside, so you've got this and the kitchen box itself. So it's a 4 feet long, and the idea is 4 feet, you can fit that into any kind of pickup truck. It's a 24 inches on the side as well. And it comes with what you've noticed all over in our kits. You've got an outdoor table base. So you take that table cross, put it down, and then you've got a pole so you can make a table outside as well. So that's really the idea, that you can use this anywhere you are. Now that box here, it fits in the back, and the main idea is this is your everyday truck, remember. So you want to use it for whatever needs you have for the work, or also if you'd like to be using it for going to play outside. So you can put a bicycle on the side or whatever outdoor gear that you have. But the main purpose of this is you strap it with the straps here that will be included with your kit. You strap it here in the back. So it takes you 5 minutes to install it. And then you said, okay, that's cool, Gabe, but sometimes I go hunting, fishing, or somewhere else, and I want to have the option to sleep. And this is where this bed frame come in. Let me show you from the inside. So you have an aluminum frame here. So when it's stacked all together, it doesn't take space. You see here it's empty, but you just unscrew the knob here. And if you do that, that will allow you just to slide it in the back. So yeah, come on in, I'll show you. So the idea is just make sure you have nothing on the way, obviously, and then slide it out. Once it's done, then you can decide the length of your bed. So basically right now we're in a F-150 6.3, 6.5 feet. So we'll just decide the length that we want to get for our bed. Once you're done, just put them back here, and then you use the slats. So it's, again, we wanted to keep it simple, but it takes very long to keep things simple. But you put it like that, and then you've got holes here. So the main idea is that it's one size fits all again, like in every product that we do. So just put this like that. Now put it back here too, and then you're good. So now that's for the single bed. So if you put it here, then you've got a mattress. So the mattress is optional and it's a side, but we want to have a mattress that allows you to do a single bed. We've figured out, based on what people ask us, that most of the user will be having a single bed because they want to keep a bicycle on the side or outdoor gear. So we've designed it to be very easy to use as a single bed, but again, it can be as a double. For the single bed, if you use it like that, you can just take the table like this. Thank you, Pat. That one, and the base. So you can be sitting there. As you see here, we have a flatted truck cab that we do distribute in Canada, and you can check them on their website for the US. And that's the same idea, and it goes with our kit. It allows you to cover the back of your pickup in 5 minutes. It's inflatable, and it's a really nice product. I recommend you watch them, guys. That's the table. Now, if you want to use it as a double bed, I'll just pull the table out like this, and this here. You can keep it like that or remove it, that's up to you. Just put this, and you make sure the knob are, again, they're good. Here it's good too. All right. So if you do that and you slide it out, sometimes it's tough because the floor is not leveled up, but if you do it the right way, then it will be easy. Just screw it up. Now once it's done, you take this, and again, you take the slots, and then you put them back. Now, I will take the other one. So the idea is we wanted to put that anti-moving pads to the bottom and use the Velcro to make sure they are tightened all together. Slide it again. If you want to make sure, you use the Velcro again. As you can see, I have a lot of clearance here, so I'll just open it up a bit more, make sure the slats doesn't fall down, and then tighten them again. Well, now you have a double bed in the back of your pickup. So you have the mattresses that you can put, obviously, and then set it up for your night doing camping. The idea, again, was to make it easy. We wanted to go with aluminum, extruded aluminum, because we wanted something very durable and very strong. Again, that's half birch, and it's a black exa finish. And that's pretty much it about that kit.
Well, I love the fact that you can convert your normal everyday pickup truck into a weekend camper for 1 or 2 people. Now, the kitchen box is one piece, and the mattress is a separate piece, and then there's another mattress for this side?
Correct. So we've done it separately, like in all of our kits, so we make sure if you're on your own or if you're 2-person, you can use it either way.
And the pricing for just the kitchen box area, this part here?
So the kitchen box all together with the straps and the legs and the base, it's not 100% sure yet, but it's around $1,500. We're gonna launch that product within a few months. So it's kind of a demo right now that we're showing you.
And someone could bring their own air mattress so they could buy your mattress custom fit?
Yeah, that's the idea. The complicated part is to build it and design the kitchen itself. Now, based on what are your needs and what you already have, you do not need necessarily to purchase another mattress or another stuff. Even for the cap, if you have a fiberglass cap, you do not need to have one like this. I like that one, again, because it's very comparable to what we do for our kit. You install it, inflate it, install in 5 minutes. So altogether, it takes you like 20 to 30 minutes to decide to go camping, which is very cool.
And having this bed rug is pretty convenient too, because everything slides nice. It's a little bit warmer on your feet, right?
Yeah, and if you feel like sleeping on the bed rug, you can do it.
Well, cool. I'll put those links in the description so our viewers can click over to vanpackers.com and check out all the different things you do. This is not just the one product. You do SUV, yeah. You do minivan.
Cargo van, pickup trucks, and we've got much more coming. We keep developing as we always go back from what the customer asks, and then we design based on your needs. So every year, we design 1 or 2 new kits.
Well, good to see you here at Overland Expo East. This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.
See you guys.